Hi friends, I am motivational speaker, academic trainer Ganesh Patil. Today I am going to share few insights about body language in classroom. The few tips that I will give you today about body language in classroom will make your classes more effective and interesting. The objective of this video is to help you get non-verbal feedback from your students or participants in your program or in your classroom and use your body language effectively in the classroom. Teachers dressing plays important role in body language part. His dress should be elegant, it should be formal, presentable. There should be a mirror in the staff room or washroom so that teacher can ensure time to time that he is properly dressed and there is nothing odd in his looks. He should always maintain smile on his face. He should have proper eye contact with his students. What kind of position should a teacher have while teaching in the class? If a student has sat knees crossed on a bench or on a chair, he will retain minimum of what you are teaching. Research has proved this. If the hands are open, it means the student is carried free. If he is maintaining eye contact with you, he is listening to you. If you are, while speaking, if you are maintaining eye contact with him, the students feel that you are talking to them. If the students are nodding, it means they are properly listening to you. Taking notes, underlining, highlighting, frowning, staring, eye position, sitting on the ground, all these gestures, postures indicate whether the student is paying attention to you or not. What position? A student should not be allowed to sit to ensure that he learns 100% of what you teach. First, don't allow student to sit knees crossed on the bench or the chair. Second, don't allow them to sit in American four-figure. You can see the picture in the slide. The central picture shows a man sitting in American four-figure. In this situation, the student will always be in argumentative mood. This posture, American figure 4, indicates argumentative mindset. Arms tied on the chest or head down on the desk. These are other positions that we must not allow student to sit in. Some of the gestures to understand the non-verbal signals from your students to change the way of teaching. Type lip smile, eyes, touching mouth or nose again and again, speaking like, putting hands in pocket, hiding something or feeling cold. Palms on the vest with thumb in front and the four fingers back. I will see what you do. Palms on the vest with four fingers behind the thumb in front. Challenging position. Hands on hand in front near the center. It shows submissive mood. It shows a slavish mindset or surrender. Fear. Head down, guilty. Head up, pride, self-respect. Staring may show anger or rapt attention. Stammering, hesitation, lying, pressure, nervousness. Twitch on the cheek may show that the person has something different in the mind. Thumb gesture shows very good, excellent, and palm down this way shows power. Frown shows anger, fear, or attention. Smile shows happiness, friendly feeling. Mirroring others shows desire to make friendship. This picture is called as Stippling gesture. Stippling gesture shows that person is confident and knows the answer. Palms open gesture is considered to be a very positive and important gesture. I am free, frank, open, honest, and candid. I am ready to accept people. Trust me, I'm honest. This is honest submissive gesture. Holds no weapon. Pointing forefinger is considered to be a very aggressive kind of gesture and it creates a hostile feeling of enmity. So the gesture should be avoided in important negotiation. Even in the class also, this kind of gesture should be avoided. Disagree. I am holding back the negative feeling. This is a very good positive picture in the classroom. The teacher has both his palms open and standing in the center of the classroom. 85% people responded positively when the gesture, palm gesture was open palm, familiar gesture. You must have seen this in the classroom. When the child tells lie, generally it closes mouth like this. Now teenagers, when they speak lie, they generally do like this. Smile shows positive feeling. When we smile, even if it is a fake smile, it secretes pheromone in our blood, which is a positive hormone, creates good impact on our body. If students smile, it may mean that they are comfortable in your class. Hands clenched in a raised position indicates frustration or restlessness even when smiling. Interesting research of the classroom shows that the students sitting on the left hand side of the teacher are generally his favorite students. They are his pets. The students sitting on the right side learn less. Generally the students sitting on the left side and the students sitting in the center, they have rapt attention and they learn and understand more. This is what the research says. Well, sideways and backbenchers return less and they are more casual. Let's have a look at the funnel of attention. The front students, the students sitting in the front row, the students sitting in the center, and the students sitting on the left side of the speaker have more rapt attention than the students sitting on the left side, back side, and right side back. If you want to make your students emotional, if you want to make them cry, stand on the right corner of the classroom. Stand on your right hand side and the student's left hand side while speaking. If you want to make your student think logically, intellectually, and you want them to have rapt attention to what you are teaching, stand on the left hand corner, that is on your left side corner. So on the student's right side, if you stand, they will pay rapt attention to you and you can teach them effectively and they will remember maximum. If you stand on the left side of the students, they will retain less, but you can make them emotional easily.